Excuse me? Did you hear me knocking on the door?
No.
Oh, well, I was just wondering, what are you moving up there? I can hear you moving something really heavy around, and it's making a lot of noise.
Like the last couple days, so we're just moving like all over.
Oh. So I actually do research on, directed energy weapons. I was wondering if I could take a look at what you're moving just to confirm. It's illegal to operate directed energy weapons without a license.
We don't have any weapons.
Then, if that's true, then would you mind proving it? Or are you hiding anything?
What?
So,
I'm not even sure what
since you don't have weapons, then if I take a look, then there should be no problem? Unless you have something to hide. Yeah, I know it can be awkward, but there's a lot of evidence that I've collected, and I just want to confirm whether or not there are directed energy weapons being operated illegally here.
Why would we have direct? What? Like,
So I can't even just take a look because,
Well, we don't have to let you into our house.
well, yeah, you don't have to let me in, but I just want to see what is being moved around. Because it could be something else, too. What are you moving around, by the way?
We just moved
we
in.
just moved in. It's all our furniture.
Okay, then mind if you just open the door so I can see that it's furniture?
It's really weird that your assumption is that we have directed energy weapons.
Well, I'm a researcher, and there are a lot of signs that there are. For example, the, EMP blocking my internet. Timed directly in sync with your moving of, well, actually, the sounds of the water draining from your house. But that's fine. I mean, if you are scared to even show me some furniture from outside of your house, I understand.